Math is the language of everything. The universe was written with math. You can see its mark in nature, architecture, and new technologies. Math governs everything in our modern lives. Things that control modern society, such as the economy, the internet, and global transportation, are derived from the principles of math. Math can also be found in nature through something called the golden ratio. The golden ratio, which is an irrational number beginning with 1.618, can be found everywhere in nature, in the structure of flowers, the spiral of seashells, and even in the structure of the human body. Go home and measure your iPod. I can almost guarantee that the ratio between the length and the width will either be the golden ratio, or it will be very close to it. It is well known that this ratio is appealing to humans. The golden ratio has a close relationship to the Fibonacci sequence, which is a series of numbers where the following number is equal to the sum of the previous two numbers. The Fibonacci spiral, which is formed using the Fibonacci numbers in square form, is nearly the same as that of the golden spiral, which follows the rules of the golden ratio. This spiral can be found everywhere in nature and architecture, and people find it visually appealing.